Today, we're going to be comparing two of my favorite brokers to decide which one is best to be trading on. One's been around for a little bit longer, but one is newer and has newer technology to increase the speeds based on the infrastructure of the broker. So, none of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here we are on the PU Prime website, and off the bat, yes, this is something that looks fantastic, modern, and very easy to navigate. Now, if we head over to OctaFX, I mean, it's a pretty similar kind of layout here, basically a landing page that's easy to navigate, so no real winner there. But we are going to go head to head here to see which broker is better, analyzing spread, analyzing trading instruments, and analyzing different account types. So let's just dive straight into that. First of all, with spread, if we scroll down on PU Prime, we can see the gold spread here at 0.09. I've seen this drop as low as 0.01 sometimes, so it's good to note that. But overall, yes, this is a very low spread for gold. Now, if we head over to OctaFX and we look at the same asset, you can see that gold here is being traded with a 2.8 to 3 spread. Currently, obviously this will vary, but overall here, measuring these guys at the exact same time, we can see that PU Prime does win on the spread front. But what about accounts? Here we can see on PU Prime, the minimum deposit is $50, and if we scroll down here, we can see the leverage is up to 1,000. Now, this is super important, particularly for a lower account here. You normally don't get access to super high leverage like so. So a good winning point there for PU Prime. Let's see what OctaFX has here. So here we can see that their lowest account here has a minimum deposit of $25 here. And the leverage here coming down, we can see it does vary depending on the asset. For example, stocks would be 40 to 1 here, whereas Forex would be 1,000 to 1. So overall, I do think PU Prime wins on that front with a standard 1000x leverage for most of their assets. Now let's talk trading instruments. OctaFX have over 200 trading instruments here. And if we look at the trading platforms, they have access to MetaTrader 4, 5, and the OctaTrader platform. Now, this looks like a massive amount on the surface, but this is only really 3 platforms. If we go over to PU Prime, we go up here, we can see that they have MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, their own app to trade on, and they have copy trading, web trading, and social trading to back that up. So in terms of trading platforms, I would definitely say PU Prime does win on that front. And one of the benefits here is copy trading. Copy trading is so good on PU Prime that other platforms really just cannot compare. I mean, if we're looking at what they can do here, they have a bunch of different things where you can actually have multiple different copy modes. You have higher execution rates when copying, and you have the flexibility to stop or unfollow a copier at any time. Now, as well as that, it is a lower cost than many other brokers out there, so that's something that's fantastic. If you don't know how this works, guys, basically copy trading works like this. You're going to have a signal provider, someone that's actively trading, someone that's a professional trader, you can see it in their stats, and then you have a copier, someone like me and you, who potentially just find the good traders, copy them, invest money with them, and then make money when they make money. It's really that simple. You can see here PU Prime absolutely dominate on the copy trading front with over 150,000 copiers, 6 million successful trades, and over 32,000 signal providers. That's fantastic, and the UI here really does just back that up. We can see you can get a bunch of different stats on each trader. You can see what assets they're trading, and you can copy them with literally a few taps on your phone. So good stuff there. Definitely consider checking out the PU Prime Copy Trader app. Now, in terms of regulation, both are pretty well regulated here in terms of brokers, but PU Prime is probably going to win on that front based on the fact that they have an FSA regulation, which basically is one of the top tier regulations, but is actually going to be something where you can trade it from over 200 different countries, whereas OctaFX will actually limit you because it's, in my opinion, slightly more over-regulated. So if you're a traveler, if you're a new trader, an advanced trader, I would definitely say PU Prime is the winner on that front. So that is the comparison between OctaFX versus PU Prime. Let me know who you think wins in the description, but from my personal opinion, 10 years trading in the space, I would definitely say that PU Prime is the most beneficiary there because of the copy trading, because of the better infrastructure from a newer company, and because of the lower spreads. That's going to be it from me. Check out PU Prime in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.